Here's how to unsubscribe from emails in Gmail in 2026 and clean up your inbox fast. If this video helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Gmail tutorials. First, open Google Chrome and go to gmail.com. Sign into your Gmail account if you're not already logged in. Now, open an email from the sender you want to stop receiving messages from. This usually works with newsletters, promotions, and marketing emails. At the top of the email, next to the sender's name, look for the unsubscribe link. Click it, then confirm when Gmail asks if you want to unsubscribe. If you don't see an unsubscribe option, click the three dots in the top right corner of the email. Then select Filter Messages like these and choose Delete It or Skip the Inbox to stop future emails. And that's it. You've successfully unsubscribed from unwanted emails in Gmail. Subscribe for more quick Gmail tips and inbox cleanup guides.